Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, I got a major hack. Every now and then I'll come up with a major hack. I was trying to grow another element of one of my business entities. And before I go forward, go ahead and please like and subscribe. Just in case I bring something to you, I want you to get it first. And you'll be able to get it once I ring the bell, or once you ring the bell, you're going to be able to see something new or different every time, because I'm trying to bring different hacks and trying to help you grow your business and your bottom line. All right. So listen, I was so surprised when I stumbled upon this, that I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I want you to follow me all the way through on this hack before I reveal to you what the actual, name of the hack is and or what tool I'm using. Of course, obviously, it's more to it than that, but I want to try to do something a little bit different for you. I want you just to concentrate first on what it is I'm about to show you. So let me explain to you. And I almost showed my face today. I just didn't. I didn't shave and all that, but I wanted you to get to this. I wanted to get to this hack. So I will give this to you. This is a sweetheart hack for a Valentine's Day gift to you. All right, so here's what you're going to do. In this tool I'm going to call this my $1 million Valentine's Day hack, because I stumbled upon it and this is gold. All right, let's get into it. So one of the things people are trying to do, right, is people are trying to figure out how to find new leads without paying for a whole lot of advertising. And we want to try to find these growth hacks, which is what I do. So what I want to do, this is a growth hack in LinkedIn, which is hitting gold in LinkedIn. Depends on what your business is. So I, of course, run my real estate business on LinkedIn only, right? Because that's where the larger players are, and that's where some investments, where money is being found, and so on and so forth, right? So what you have to do, let me tell you what you have to do. This particular tool allows you to go in, make a comment on a link, right? You make a comment on a link or engage yourself in a link, which is, to me, I think is new marketing 3.0. Enough of the trying to send people to your landing pages and trying to do all these lead magnets. That to me is leads 1.0. That's leads version 1. Now we're on version 3.0. We have to become more wiser and more smarter, and we want to try to protect our dollars and try to get very good leads. So what you do in this particular tool, you come into the tool, right? And what you do is you create a campaign. This is a LinkedIn tool. This is a tool that goes out and finds everyone connected to that particular post. So if a person makes a post, let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so in this particular instance, this person made a post. Of course, I'm into real estate, so I found a real estate post. I can do a couple different things. I can either connect with the people who are already in my network, or I can go ahead and do a hashtag search for, I think, one of the hashtags that I like to use, which I use my other tool, Predis.ai, to find what are the most popular and trending hashtags. And for this one is real estate life. So hashtag real estate life. You can find posts and comment on them. Once you find the post and comment on them, you come here, you hit the 3 dots and you copy the link. You copy the link. What it's going to return to you, this is gold. This is my $1 million Valentine hack for you. It's going to come, it's going to give you the connection ID to everyone on this post. It's going to give you all 50 people on this post. So if you find one that's got 300, it's going to find all 300 people connected to that post. All right, so let's go back to the tool. I'm telling you, I was so excited when I found this out, and it's starting to work, right? And if you looked and got the email warmer, which I talked about, which is the mule list, which is the email warmer for your email, then reaching these people is going to be so much easier as well. I'll put a link to that description as well. Again, people, I am so fired up for this. So, all right, so let's go back to the tool. All right, so you come back to the tool. What you do here is you create new campaign, right? And then you create this. They have 3 different ways. This one's is coming soon. Message to my network. So this is people you already have first connections with, which I think is going to be powerful as well. But you have 3 different connections here. You have a connection request plus follow-up messages. So what you're going to do, this is the one we're going to use. This is what this is. Send connection request to add new people to your network. Add follow-up messages for the ones who accepted your request. This is the one we're going to use. This one was invite by email and follow-up messages. So this is if you already have an email list, then you just upload that list and import it. We're not going to use this one. We're not there yet. I'm working on a hack for this one as well. But this is the one we're going to use. So we're going to go create campaign, right? And you're going to put a name here. Okay, so the name is My New Real Estate Connections. And then I can probably put a date there, being a gift to you guys. So I'll put 1/4. My wife is going to kill me. She is asleep right now, so don't say anything. 2/2. So we just put a date on there. My Real Estate Connections 2/2, right? So then what you're going to do is you're going to go here and you're going to choose your audience next. All right. So it's a couple of different ways you can bring in an audience. This is the power of this tool. You can import it in by a CSV, right? And you can still reach out and then try to make a connection to people you don't have a first degree connection with. We're going to go with post engagement, right? You can do event attendees, or you can do group members. You're already in a large group. So there's another way you can connect with a large group on LinkedIn, get inside the group members, and then send a message to the group members. Very powerful there. We're going to use this cheap hack, right? Not going to cause a whole lot of, this is going to be an innocent hack. So we're going to go here. We're going to go post engagement. It says, find a post you want to get from the people. Click on the 3 dots, which is what we did. Choose copy link to post, add to the link below. We're going to paste that link. Once we paste that link, it's going to give me all 50 contacts. So then what you do next is you write your message. Here's where you might write your message. You can put your follow-up sequences. You can put your variables. Hey, John, I noticed you commented on Sam's new recent deal on his purchases. We're doing some of the same things. I wanted to be able to connect with you since we have some friends that are mutual, and so on and so forth. This personalizes it. This is not random spam or anything like that. This personalizes it, right? And they are coming up, the company is actually coming up with another way that you can get around the 100 daily. Once I go to their webinar, I'll be able to come back with another hack and show you that. And so you can do that. And then you can put a follow-up message in there and say, hey, if they accept it, after they connected, then you say, hey, and you put this in here. Hey, thanks for reaching out. Thanks for connecting. Look forward to kind of connecting to you soon, and so on and so forth. Now, let me show you what happened with the list, what I got here. So I already ran through it. So let's look at the list and see what I got. We talked about 50 people, right? Let's see what we got here. Okay, people, this is the information that I was able to come back with, right? And because I'm not friends or first degrees, I'm not going to be able to get email addresses from here. But what I have is I do have job titles and company names if they're presented. And I could actually do a reverse lookup if I wanted to do. I have other tools that I can look up if I really wanted to find their email, I could. But I want to just try to leave this connection really just on LinkedIn. So this is what we're able to get. Again, it was 50 available. And I found all 50 of the people that commented on that one post. People, this is golden. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have the ability and or the opportunity to send and reach out to them referencing that post. Hey, I noticed you posted on John Doe's post the other day. Just wanted to reach out to you, let you know I'm in the same business. I'm putting together a network. Wanted to make sure that we can connect. And, and leave it soft, a soft entry, not a hard entry, wanting someone to buy or get connected to your list the first day. That is so 1.0 outreach. We're doing 3.0. We want to nurture, water, nurture, grow, right? And that's the process that we want to do. So let's go back and head back in the tool. But again, I have every single person that commented. I can reference that exact post and then they'll see that I was even on there, and it allows you to do this in volume. People, this is magic. This is golden. So let's head back to the tool itself. So again, people, this tool is called Closely. Closely is a tool that is currently now being offered on AppSumo for a lifetime offer. That particular deal is, let's take a look at it. That particular deal is $89. So it's $89 to connect one account. I'm not sure if you can stack the codes or not. I don't know if you can. Oh, it says this deal is not stackable. You can only buy one for $89. And it has a warm up, have live chat support, human-like behavior of automation algorithms. So you can actually do that. You can tag, you can create tags. Hey, these are all my real estate people. Hey, these are all my other people I want to connect with. Hey, these are people I just want to connect with, and do so on and so forth. So you can tag all your leads. And this is how you grow your network. Your network is your net worth. This is the fastest way I can think of for $89 one-time cost to get this. Listen, I'm always looking for hacks. This is probably one of the best sweetheart hacks I came up with. I'm sharing it with you guys today. Again, let's look back at the tool. The tool, again, very simple. I do have drafts here. I don't want to get into that. Don't want to show you what all those are. I started one earlier today, which was my test, and I had to pause it because it actually started going out and I really wasn't finished yet. But it actually starts sending out messages and starts warming up your audience as well. All right. So listen, this has been Jenny Jones. I'll put a link to Predis.ai in there as well. Predis.ai is a tool that you can use for Instagram. So if you're following a group on LinkedIn, they may be the same group on Instagram. You could compound your growth as well on your Instagram. It has a hashtag. It finds the most popular hashtags, and it finds an actual how many people are commenting on that hashtag. I use that same hashtag that I found in Predis.ai, and I came over here and I used that same hashtag in LinkedIn, and I found more people from there. And if I'm only interested in real estate, then I'm only commenting on the real estate posts. And then what's going to happen is people are going to be viewing your profile, and then they're going to be connecting from you from there. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. This is a sweetheart hack. Take a look at it if you can. A link to the tool is below. I think it's $89. Like I said, probably one of the most valuable $89 I've ever spent in some time. You guys take care. Be safe out there. Goodbye for now. Happy Valentine's Day.